Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna make you a small review of this camera and how to use it for the first time when you get it out of the box.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same.
Alright, so I already opened this box and we have inside this lens, the camera, one battery and one charger. Also inside the box it's coming with data cable to put things from camera to your computer. We don't need this anymore. So when you first get your camera, let's put this aside here, it's gonna be closed like this, exactly like this. The charger, it's easy to put it, you put it just connected to electricity and you're all done. To charge the battery, it's very easy, you just put it here, it's gonna show charging, and when it's gonna be full, it's gonna show full. Now the camera, how you put in the battery. On the bottom side you have this where I connect my tripods, very useful. I put it in my tripods and I'm using it as a vlogging camera. Also, you know, it has in the back face looking screen, but I'm gonna show all that little later. Let's cut this out, I don't need it just now. Let's close back the screen. Up, careful to don't break it because it's new. Alright, so the battery, you open on the bottom here, you point like this, press it inside, this is gonna clip. Also here you have the memory card. You put here the memory card, you close it. And now how you gonna, I'm not gonna explain you yet the other buttons and the functions. I'm gonna explain you how to make it ready to work. First you open this here, you turn left and it's gonna come out. Second, from the lens, this one, not the one where it says Canon with the silver, the one with black from the behind is this one. We put it here, you have some pins on the camera and some pins on the lens. You fit them together and you roll one time and it's gonna stay there. Okay, next step is to open the front lens. Now we have opened the front lens, we can turn on the camera. On off, you have the button for on off here and you're gonna see this message: set the lens to the shooting position. It took me a while to understand how to put the lens on the shooting position. I pressed on everything and you have this small right here, one pin. You pull it up and you roll to start to roll to sizes 15, 18, 24, and now it's in shooting position. When it's in shooting position, you can start using your camera. Most easy to use before you start to get familiar with all functions and the menus, it's automatic. You have on this button here automatic picture A+, or automatic video, the second one. Also the screen is touch screen, when you press everywhere it's gonna focus. Let's leave it on photo and shot the first photo with automatic photo shot. You put focus wherever you want on the screen. You focus on the gloves here, on the mouse. I can focus on the laptop and press the shooter button. Took the picture, very easy to use. This is how you use first time. If you want to record video, instead of pressing on photo, you put in auto video, the second green button. So first one is auto picture green, second green is auto photo, and after you're gonna have more manual settings. For recording videos, you press here and it started to record. To turn your screen facing you, you turn the camera. Let's turn off the video, and it's gonna face to you. Turn the screen back, very useful for vloggers especially, and bam! You used for the first time your Canon camera. I'm gonna leave you two small videos and photos took with this camera. Bye!
Trying to get your redemption, but now that I'm gone, you want me back. Yeah, I gave you everything, gave you a diamond ring to watch it fall from your head. I don't wanna love again, 'cause I'll be living with regret. I don't wanna love again, 'cause I'll be living with regret. And I don't wanna love again, 'cause I'll be living with regret. You came back to me. I don't trick or treat, don't knock on my door. Don't want you no more. You broke me, and I don't wanna see you, and I don't